Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing something different. I just want to quickly show you the various Black Friday deals that are available for all the print-on-demand tools that you ever need in your print-on-demand businesses. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first deal is Merch Informer. I spoke about Merch Informer in my previous video. Here is the plan that is on sale. It's a professional plan. It's on sale for $49.99, but you can get it for $39.99 if you use my code Make Money Online. The next tool that is on sale is Vexels. For the Print on Demand Pro yearly package, you can get a 30% off using the code Black Deal. For the Kindle Direct Publishing yearly package, you can get a 30% off if you use the code Black Deal. And that's for the whole bundle, that is print on demand plus KDP yearly package. You can get 40% off if you use the code Black Friday. Moving on to the next tool is Vexels. Vexels is offering 55% off the annual and lifetime subscriptions. And I'll highly advise that you purchase either the merch lifetime or the merch business. I went for the merch lifetime, so I'll advise that you get it too. Still, this is for KDP users. It is Creative Fabrica. You can get access to all the interiors, the KDP publishing businesses today just for $1. So do you like short videos like this, 1 minute videos? Let me know in the comment section below and I'll be sure to make more of them. With that being said, see you in the next one.